Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC long wheelbase, 1.6CDTI needs gearbox body, white, panel van mileage, 171,619 engine, 1,598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is grinding in second and fifth gear does not affect the drive, although the gearbox will need repairing in the future. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap, retail, £5,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.